Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, me and my partner will presentation our research article. This research was conducted in collaboration with my lecturer and my partner. My lecturer name is Salapeti Susanti MPD. So my partner Rosenda Dwi Maulaya and me Anissa Afilia. The title of our research article is Islamic Representation, the Culture of Education in Finland from Perspective of Buya Hamka. We are from University of Darussalam, Gontar. Okay, firstly, we will talk about the background of research. Number one, education in Finland is free and inclusive education. Number two, Islam has ideal concept and purpose of education. One of those who discussed Islamic education was Buya Hamka. Number three, the purpose of this study is to represent Finland education in Islamic education from the perspective of Buya Hamka. And then we use research method. For each research type, systematic literature review. And then for the data, we use two type of data source. There is primary and secondary. And the last, we use three type for data analysis. Number one, inductive. So number two, deductive. And number three, descriptive.
So I will be continue our presentation for the result. There is a six result and finding in this research. Number one is education concept. In Finland education, the education system implemented in Finland provides opportunities for all students to attend school for free and get free school meals. Free schools are an effort to equalize education for all children in Finland so that all children are not exceptions and have equal opportunities to receive education. In Finland, they have inclusive education with free meal at school, free education, child-friendly school, and disability ties. And then from the Islamic education Buya Hamka's perspective, the peculiarity of Islamic education is how to maximize the potential of the heart as human nature. In the education process, Finland has also accommodated this effective intelligence, but the foundation is different from Islam. Suppose a character is generally interpreted as having the ability to behave well among humans. In that case, the character in Islam reflects the potential of the heart that will obtain by relating well to human. And then educational objective from Finland. Finland education aims to maximize knowledge, character, and skill to produce a generation with superior personalities. The main focus is the learner or the children to realize the goal of education in Finland. And from Islamic education perspective of Buya Hamka, does not only stop at the process of developing students into superior personalities, but more than that. According to Buya Hamka, Islamic education purpose is related to student relationship vertically and horizontally. Making students into exceptional individuals who benefit fellow humans is the goal of schooling horizontally. And then vertically, Islamic education aims to go further, namely to make students become servants of God with the maximization of reason. And next, for next educational approach, Finland educational approach freeing students is one way that students can create independently. Thus, each student determines control in unlocking capacity and developing his potential. This is done after instilling responsibility, integrity, and the principle of never giving up on students. A learning while playing system is arranged for young students or children. learning while playing is the most human approach to children because a child's world is play. An educational approach from Islamic representation Buya Hamka perspective is, however, there is a disagreement between this humanist approach in Finland and humanist approach in Islamic education. The approach to Islamic education, according to Buya Hamka, must be based on his nature as a human being. Education based on human rights in facility to human side, while education from the Islamic perspective seek to metaphysical side. Education based on nature seek to or fitrah to develop human potential, including not separating the man from their creator. The divine instinct is a necessity and is a human nature. Thus, education based on nature is also included in educating fight with the aim that the potential of spirituality is from an early age. More generally, Buya perspective is that education is inseparable from the need to attain the highest degree of glory in the eyes of Allah. For number four, educational method. In Finland, educational method, teaching and being able to cooperate with others are much more important than competing. Working together or collaborating with others will expand student opportunities to share experience with other students, which will significantly help their future success. Problem solving with cooperation and collaboration can train self and group management well. And from Islamic representation Buya Hamka, according to Buya Hamka, general method of learning include discussion, field trip, and recitation, giving assignment, and intent to give students a mandate. In addition to general method, there are also religious method, namely Amar Ma'ruf Nahi Mungkar and observation. Educator qualification. In Finland is very selective in choosing teacher to effort to get the best quality of education. A teacher candidate in Finland must pass a series of pretty tough exams, have high competency and high skill. The difficulty of becoming a teacher is proportional to his significant role in education in Finland. Finland teacher who was graduate from the teaching faculty is authorized in the creation of his curriculum independently. And then from Islamic representation from Buya Hamka perspective, the professionalism of education was not only when he served as an educator. Educators are perfect human beings who improve the moral of students. Therefore, the moral of educators must also be ideal in their daily life, especially in maintaining an orderly, sincere, and tawadu life. The moral education are a barometer of selection that is quite heavy in educator. Moral universally cover all dimensions of educator competency and personality. The last about education evaluation, Finland education. Evaluation of education in Finland is carried out not only after learning process but during the learning process. Education in Finland attach importance to early intervention and diagnosis to find out the obstacles or difficulties experienced by students early before learning takes place, and that is doing by educators. Meanwhile, Islamic education evaluation perspective of Buya Hamka is carried out by giving recitation and self-introspection related to feeling. Giving recitation is a form of general examination of science. It finishes education only focus on the skill and competencies of learners. Then Islamic education is the main base of focus is science. It does not want to deny skill or competencies, but Islamic education stands on the foundation of true science. Only after the development of science is used to form competencies. In addition, according to Buya Hamka, the best evaluation tool is self-introspection, and introspection is a form of evaluation carried by students independently to discover their shortcomings. This is our conclusion about our research. Okay, that's all about our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.